In only 5 minutes, you are going to learn the easiest way to memorize the formulas you need to know for the PMP and CAPM tests. Are you excited about memorizing formulas? Probably not. Are you ever going to use this in real life? Maybe not, but these formulas are very important for the test. You're going to use them for 15 or 20 questions, so let's learn them the easiest way. Who wants to take a trip to space? Okay, let's go back to Earth. E is for earned value, P is for planned value, A is for actual cost, S is for schedule, C is for cost. Now let's create 4 formulas. Schedule performance index is earned value divided by planned value. Cost performance index is earned value divided by actual cost. Remember that to find any index, you always have to divide. Schedule variance is earned value minus planned value, and cost variance is earned value minus actual cost. Remember that to find any variance, you always have to subtract. Yay! We have 4 formulas! Think about the space while having a hamburger, while petting your cat, or whenever you have time. The next 2 groups of formulas start with E, estimate at completion and estimate to complete. The most common way to find the estimate at completion is to divide budget at completion by the cost performance index, which you see here on the left. Depending on the test question and the data you're given, you may have to calculate the estimate at completion using other formulas based on the actual cost. That is here on the left. Estimate at completion could be the actual cost plus the new estimate to complete that you see here on the right. Estimate at completion could be the actual cost plus the budget at completion minus the estimate value. Or it could be the actual cost plus the budget at completion minus the estimate value divided by the multiplication of the indexes, CPI times SPI. I know this can be nerve-wracking. Just keep breathing. Estimate to complete is found by subtracting the actual cost from the estimate at completion that you can find using any of these formulas. The to complete performance index can be calculated in 2 ways. Both have the same denominator, budget at completion minus the estimate value. Both have the minus actual cost in their denominators. The difference is that the first one uses the budget at completion and the second the estimate at completion. The variance at completion equals budget at completion minus the estimate at completion. That are the last things we added here on the right. We're finally done with all the earned value management formulas. Let's go to the estimates. You can find the triangular estimate by adding the optimistic estimate plus the most likely estimate plus the pessimistic estimate and dividing everything by 3. The beta or paired estimate is found by adding the optimistic estimate plus 4 times the most likely estimate plus the pessimistic estimate and divided everything by 6. Each beta and paired have 4 letters, so this 4 should be easy to remember. The standard deviation is the pessimistic estimate minus the optimistic estimate, then divide by 6. These are the formulas for the present value and future value, where PV is the present value, FV is the future value, N is the number of compounding periods, and I is the interest rate of the compounding period. The float or slack can be calculated using either of these 2 formulas, late start minus early start, or late finish minus early finish. The estimated monetary value formula is probability multiplied by impact. To calculate the number of communication channels, you use this formula. N represents the number of stakeholders. That's it! We're done! Now practice, practice, practice. Write this down every day before you start your studying routine. Visit our website, and as soon as you subscribe, you will receive the videos on how to use these formulas for free.